Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Crochet and Craft House. In this video we will make a beautiful bracelet of butterfly. First of all we will make magic ring, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 2 double crochet and chain 1. Again we will make 3 double crochet and chain 1. We will repeat it for more 6 times and we will make set of 3 double crochet for 8 times. Here we have made 8 set of 3 double crochet and chain 1, and at last we will make a slip stitch at previous chain 3 like this. Now we will make chain 3. Chain 3 will count as 1 double crochet. Now we will make 2 double crochet into previous chain 1. Now we will make 2 sets of 3 double crochet and chain 2 at the previous chain 1. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and again we will make 3 double crochet into the same chain space. Repeat it for more 6 times, more 7 times, and at this is the end. Here we will complete our 8th. Here we will complete our 8th set. As you can see, we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and half set of 6 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now we are completed our last set with 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and chain 2, and then slip stitch at the 3rd chain of previous chain 3, chain 1, and now we will cut the yarn here and we will hide the loop into the body with the tapestry needle or with the help of yarn hook. Now we are going to make round 3 with black yarn. First of all we will make a slip knot. Then we will make chain 3 at the gap of chain 2 and we will make 3 chain 3. Chain 3 will be count as 1 double crochet, and now we will make more 5 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and included chain 3 we have 6 double crochet here. Now we will make picot stitch here with chain 2 and a slip stitch. Again we will make 6 double crochet into the previous chain 2, 1 2, and this one is 3 4 5 and 6. Now we will make chain 1 in this gap. We will make 1 double crochet in this gap and again 6 double crochet into the previous chain 2, 3 4 5 and 6. Again chain 2 and picot stitch and 6 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 1 single crochet into the gap. We will repeat it 8 times. Here you can see we have make all 8 set of our round 3. Now we will close it at the center of previous chain 3 and cut the yarn. Now we will make shape of butterfly. Like this. We will make horns using beads and wire. Here you can see how I insert the beads into the wire. Now we will wrap the wire with black yarn and glue it. Now we will make the shape. And again cover with black yarn into the center part. We will fix them here. We will use tapestry needle to fix the inner part of body and these horns like this. We will pass through for many times. At least 10 times. Now we will make dots at the wings of butterfly with white yarn. As you can see, our butterfly is completed. Now we will make belt for fixing the butterfly on our wrist. First of all, make chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and close it with the slip stitch. Again make chain according to the size of your wrist. Here I am making at least 15 stitches, then I will measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. No, this is not enough. 16. I will make at least 30. Chain 30. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Now I will measure. Yes, this is enough for my wrist. You will measure according to your wrist. Here I will make more chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I will make 1 double crochet at chain 4 and I will repeat it till the end. the end I will make single crochet around chain 6. I will close it here. And hide the extra loop with the needle. Now we will make button here. We will make here 8 double crochet. Now we will close them with the slip stitch. Make chain 2 and again slip stitch here, chain 1 and then cut. Now we will fix the butterfly. You can also make its shape by little bit folding. We will sew the butterfly with orange yarn. If you want a little bit shape, you can fold it from here, and if you don't like, then it's okay. We will hide extra loops with the help of tapestry needle. Your butterfly is ready to fly. I think you will must like this video and will like to make this beautiful butterfly for yourself, for selling or gifting it someone special. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and keep supporting, keep commenting. We will meet in next video, inshallah. Take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.